Hello and welcome back to Solid Print with me, Ben Keyser. Today we've got an incredibly special video for you as we introduce the all-new Formlabs Resin, Formlabs Chocolate. Arriving just in time for Easter, this brand new and indeed delicious resin will be sure to revolutionise your production in the workplace. With proven increase in productivity, snacks in the office are going to forever change with this tasty addition to the Form 3B and 3BL. We've printed this popular chocolate bunny for our first test, so we'll be rolling out those for Easter next week. With a tensile strength of 20 megapascals and a melt-in-the-mouth temperature of 35 degrees C, this new resin is ready to go even straight off the build platform, if you like, as the smooth, milky chocolate leaves the part drip-free. Do also remember to clean your build platform with PEC pads afterwards though, to ensure you leave a nice lint-free surface. I certainly can't wait to be printing more with this new resin, although I rather fear we won't have any samples left to show you. If you would like any more information on the biocompatible capabilities of the Form 3B and 3BL, or indeed if you'd like to try some of your own resins, tasty as they may be, please do get in touch with us at solidprint3d.co.uk, or you can email info@solidprint3d.co.uk, or in fact call us on 01926 333 777. We really look forward to hearing from you soon, and as always, don't just have a good day, have a solid day.